So we're in South Carolina at the KOA at our cabin. And woo, this is what we've been dealing with. Isn't it lovely? We drove from Asheville to Yemassee, South Carolina today, and it rained like this almost the whole way. We had maybe an hour of our drive that it didn't rain. We got here and it wasn't raining, and then this is happening. So much fun. So praying for better weather in the morning when we leave to head home. I do love storms though. So here's where Woo is. You can't even see her. Ah, she's in there. She's right on the other side of my back. There's her tongue. She's in her den. So she's on the bottom bunk. Tonka's standing at the door because Bonnie went outside to video this crazy weather. And Monroe is right there. And she's in her den. Oh, baby. It's okay, little girl. It's okay. So hopefully it stops raining soon so we can take these babies outside and go potty. Look at this. You can't even see her. It's crazy. So this is what we're doing. Hanging out in our cabin. Hey, Tonka. Wish you could see my baby over there. She's so cute. She's just curled up. She's actually got her head on my bag right there. And she's curled up. And that's like a little den for her. It's so cute. So, alright guys. Thanks for watching. And you guys have a great day wherever you are. And Woo says woo out.